The landscape of Singapore has transformed rapidly over the past few decades, owing to the vision and creativity of its nation. This has propelled the small nation to the modern and green cosmopolitan city today. And BBR is proud to be part of this driving force. Such success, however, did not come by easily. It took much foresight and brilliance among the management team to see the company through the years and take BBR to where it is now. The BBR network was founded in 1944 when 3 Swiss engineers, Brandestini, Birkenmeier, and Ross, formed a partnership under the name BBR Bureau. Today, the BBR network comprises a worldwide network spanning some 50 countries around the world. Incorporated in 1993, BBR Construction Systems Private Limited was established in Singapore as part of a global strategy to form a worldwide network. Leveraging on the demand for innovative engineering and specialist know-how in construction, BBR was no longer confined to the borders of Singapore and steadily ventured into the regional markets, namely the setting up of BBR Construction Systems Malaysia in 1994, followed by the setting up of BBR Philippines Corporation in 1998, and subsequently Siam BBR Company Limited in Thailand in 2003. Back in Singapore, the group was riding on the success of a series of construction projects and was publicly listed on the Singapore Exchange SESDAQ after 4 years of operation. BBR Network grants access to the latest technical know-how, resources, and the exchange of information on a broad scale and within international partnering alliances. It has carved a solid reputation and established an unblemished track record, focusing on strengthening its core capabilities in order to remain competitive in the domestic market. BBR has also been intensifying efforts to bid for both building and infrastructure projects, as well as develop a steady number of property development projects in Singapore and the region. Coming from a fruitful and exciting 20 years of journey, the group is today a dynamic and multidisciplined leading player in the industry, supported mainly by its 3 core business segments. Over the years, there's a growing trend in driving Singapore's construction industry towards building more environmentally friendly buildings to promote green sustainability. As such, in 2013, BBR took the leap and established BBR Green Tech. This is now the group's fourth core business segment. Backed by the strength in BBR's four core business segments, the group is poised to further exploit more opportunities in new markets and expand its geographical footprint.